Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can collect data from your clients, from your contacts, and send it to a Google Spreadsheet. First of all, I'm gonna go to settings and I'm gonna scroll down to integrations, and then you can see up here, connect Google Sheets account. So I'll choose my Google account. I'm giving Manychat permissions to connect to my Google account. Just allow everything. And then you see, okay, we are connected. Now I'm going to go to an automation. And I already have one automation created here, simple automation, where I'm not going to talk about the automation itself, but at one point here, I'm asking to my contacts to type their email. Okay, so I'm asking for the email, and the email is an user input field. That's the right definition. Okay, that's the user input. So I set the reply type as an email, so it will save to the system field, the email system field, and we'll set the email up there. Just leave this to both on. Action on successful input. Once they type their email, there are some actions that we're going to. We have an input option where they type the email, they did it right, so we have some options here. I created an action that I added a tag, I added another tag, and then another action, and this is how you this is how you send your information to the Google Sheet. You go to Google Sheets here, inside row. I will choose my Google Sheet. This is on the, let me just change the tab here. See, its name is automations, and then this is the spreadsheet that I chose. Then I choose the worksheet. It's the same one right here. And then I choose the fields. So first information that I want, and I just want two. Okay, I just want the full name, and the second one is I want the email that they just typed. So the email they typed, it's saved on the email system field, like we just saw there, and then save. So this action will send the name and the email to the Google spreadsheet that we just chose. Now we're going to test this automation sending the trigger word that I set up. Okay. We got a message. I said yes. Okay. Type the email. I'm going to type my email. gmail.com. And then send. Once I type my email and I send, you can see the action is performed. And if we go to the spreadsheet right there, you already see the name. That's the Instagram name account. And then the email that I provided. So that's it.